Good morning and welcome to Thorpe Park. You join us here today, the family day trippers. Hopefully have a good day. It's getting towards the end of September now. Bit of a cold one today, but hopefully the rain should hold off. Isn't meant to come until about 7 o'clock after the park closes, which should always be good. No wind either, so hopefully all the rides will be open. Hoping to get on Hyperia for the second time, as I came here off camera with my dad. The first time I thought it was very good. I was lucky enough to get a front row actually. I would say front row, that's definitely a Nemesis beta. But we'll have to see if we get allocated a different row this time, where it comes in our rankings. But I'm not quite sure where we're going to head first. It'll either be, we're going to risk it and try and go to Hyperia first, or we'll go to Thorpe first. We'll have to see. Right, we just started our day on the infamous Colossus. Very, very good ride, nice and smooth, nice and intense, and quite fast for the second train of the morning. I believe we're going to try and do Thorpe next, if it's open. It didn't look very open, but Hyperia isn't open either, which isn't unsurprising really.
Engineering test run now.
Oh, engineering test run Hyperia now, which usually means it's going to open soon, but it hasn't opened early, well on time should I say, at all very recently, so we'll have to see how it goes. So either Thorpe or Hyperia next, or if both of them are closed, something else. That was a bit of a first. Got into the, well, so Colossus, Thorpe was down, Hyperia just opened, there was a massive queue, so we decided to go to Stealth. All going well.
No, Nemesis Inferno.
Oh yeah, we did try to do Nemesis Inferno, that was close as well. Got to Stealth, all going well. Got to the front of the queue, bam, 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 fire alarm. Unbelievable. Had to evacuate the whole station, whole queue line. So we're now queuing the detonator. So hopefully there's no fire alarms or breakdowns, and I'll see you after the ride. We've just been on detonator, and a very good ride. Really enjoyed it. In the meantime, better news, there's clearly no fire itself, which is, you know, always good. So they go on Stealth next. Nemesis Inferno is back up and running, that's on 35 minutes. So you might do that after, depending on the queue. Hyperia is up and running, but it's on 2 hours. Swarm's on about 60, and Saw the Ride's still down. So that's a situation update, and on to Stealth. I think it's very, very good, nice and fast, and really enjoyed it. I really like Thorpe. It's a short ride, but it does exactly what he wanted to do on the package, exactly what he says. What are your thoughts then, Dan?
Really good. First time on the back row.
Yeah.
Really good. Really good.
Yeah, all good. Thorpe's just open, it's on 5 minutes, so we're off to do Thorpe the ride now. See you afterwards. Right, we've just been on the Swarm. Our first I walk underneath the entrance sign there. A really, really good ride towards the back. Got a bit of extra force, but still really smooth, as it always is and always has been over the last 12 years. Really enjoy the Swarm, one of the highlights here at Thorpe Park. Next, we're off to get a KFC for lunch. Probably just like a little wrap or something, just to tie us over, and then we'll see you on our next ride. Just on Hyperia, it was I would say it was okay. It wasn't as smooth as I went on it a few weeks ago with my dad off camera. It was okay. Bit the bottoms and the dips, it was quite ratty, I thought. We were mid-train, rows 4 and 5, sort of us 4 of us spread across. Bit ratty, especially that splashdown that isn't really a splashdown, it looks a bit rubbish, that is quite rattly. Not as good as when we've been on it before. But anyway, on to the next ride, not sure what, but I'll see you afterwards. Right, we've just been on Walking Dead the ride. As always, good fun that one, a few scary moments in there, as it is Walking Dead based. But it's a nice little indoor coaster, a few moments of intensity, especially when we sat towards the back of the train, and really well themed and really well done, really well executed indoor coaster. I believe now we're off to Nemesis Inferno. of Nemesis Inferno. Had a really, really good ride. Nice and smooth towards the back, so nice and intense. The only one we haven't done today so far, major one, is Thorpe, but that's on a 50-minute queue. Quite frankly, it's not worth it. I mean, it's not that good for 50 minutes. So instead, we're going to do a 15-minute queue and go and do Stealth, which is much more worth it, especially being only on 15 minutes. So I'll see you after the ride. Just had a re-ride on Stealth, really good as always. Really, really, really nice and forceful. Mid-train, can't go wrong with Stealth, delivers every time. I'm not sure what we're going to re-ride next. I'll let you know in a minute. Well, I'll see you afterwards. You know how it goes. So we've just done final ride of the day, a re-ride on Hyperia, on the front row this time. Actually, funny enough, when I came with my dad earlier on in the year, in sort of August time, I went on the front. So 2 times in 2 months I've been on that front row. I do definitely think it is still slightly jolty, thanks to Colossus, in those dips, but really good on the front. That you can't beat it on the front. It is a world beater on that front. I mean, we've gone the wrong way. That's not a good start, is it? Can't navigate around Thorpe Park. But on the front, it's as good as any coaster in the world. That's the main takeaway. An absolutely brilliant day here at Thorpe Park. Maybe a slightly shaky start with the operations, as it is, as it is. It's Merlin, But other than that, good day. Got on lots of rides, got a couple of re-rides. Obviously good to get on Hyperia a second time. Good to get on Stealth a second time, because that's always really good Stealth.
Hyperia second time.
Yeah, brilliant, yeah. Front row, can't go wrong. But other than that, it's been a really good day. Hopefully we'll get out once or twice more to the theme parks before they close. But that's pretty much it from today. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps, get it around the algorithm, spread it round. Colossus is about to come past, I think. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and join the Family Day Trippers family, so you know when all our latest content's coming out, as well as clicking that notification bell. And finally, if you have a question, want to leave a suggestion, or just want to say hi, please put it down in the comment section. I've been George Reedy in front of the camera, Shane O'Toole behind the camera, and we'll see you next time. Bye.